Welcome back. So in this video we are going to look into how you can store a table into a CSV file or a QVD file. So to do that, I already have a table here called as base data. Let's say I want to store this data into my QVD file. Over to here I already have app data connection. So what I'll do is if I don't know the path where I want to store it, what I can do is I can just select any of the data and I can just say insert statement. Okay, any of the files. We just need this particular thing. So I'm going to remove everything from here and I'm going to write a store command. So the store command, if you start writing, so this is the store command, store store, and now you will get the template. Okay, so these are the templates. So I am going to choose this particular template where I am going to specify the table name and the file name. File name will be this. Okay, over here, and I will say employee data.csv, and in C brackets I am going to add txt. So this will make sure that this particular data is now stored in a CSV file, and now when I load it and if I go into my folder, so this is my apps, and over here I have, as you can see, employee data, and when I open this in Excel I will have that employee data stored in the flat file. So in the same way, let's say I'm going to store it into CSV into the QVD file. I'm just going to write in QVD, that's it. So these two are the main source of file that the data is stored in, and I feel that everybody should know how to store the data in a CSV file as well as in a QVD file in apps. And when I scroll down, I will see employee data.qvd and CSV. So in this way you can store data in CSV file or QVD file, and it will store only one table over there.